According to our Theta Cost Expectation 2023, the token is supposed to have a greatest cost of $1.80 with a base cost of 70 cents. Theta organization is supposed to arrive at the most extreme value level of $3.20 as per our Theta Coin Cost Expectation 2025. Based on our Theta Cost Expectation 2030, the normal cost of Theta organization may be around $17 toward the finish of 2030. Presently, the Theta coin cost is exchanging around 86 cents throughout the past week. In spite of the negative feeling, Theta Crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above 80 cents starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Theta coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. On the off chance that you are searching for a Theta conjecture, our inside and out examination intends to respond to your inquiries like, what is Theta organization? Is Theta a wise speculation? What is the fate of Theta? Before we start with point-by-point Theta cost forecast, how about we jump into the coin's outline? What is Theta organization? Theta organization is a cutting-edge blockchain that is centered around media and diversion. It empowers existing video and media stages to drive steady incomes and decrease content conveyance costs by remunerating end clients for sharing their stockpiling and data transfer capacity on any PC, versatile, brilliant television, or IoT gadget. Theta upholds Turing-complete savvy contracts and is completely viable with Ethereum, which empowers an extensive variety of intriguing Web3 applications to be based on the organization. Theta organization is a double organization comprising of two integral subsystems, the Theta blockchain and the Theta Edge organization. The Theta blockchain gives installment, award, and brilliant agreement abilities, while the Theta Edge organization is answerable for the capacity and conveyance of media resources like pictures and recordings. Theta organization is definitely not a decentralized YouTube or jerk. Rather, it is the hidden blockchain and decentralized capacity conveyance framework that controls the up-and-coming age of Web3 video real-time and media amusement stages. How does the Theta range work? Theta is a decentralized video web-based network fueled by three sorts of hubs: undertaking validator hubs, gatekeeper hubs, and edge hubs. Venture validator hubs process exchanges, gatekeeper hubs check exchange blocks, and edge hubs share transfer speed and handoff video transfers. Theta additionally permits engineers to fabricate decentralized applications on its blockchain. Theta clients can download the Authority Theta wallet application to hold or stake Theta and tfuel token. Theta likewise has a micropayment framework for video web-based that permits content watchers and makers to send and get Theta. Theta utilizes a changed BFT agreement component that keeps the organization of PCs running Theta organization in a state of harmony. Both validator and gatekeeper hubs partake in the agreement component, adding an additional degree of safety to the convention. Validator hubs should stake at least 10 million Theta, while Watchman hubs need to stake 100,000 Theta, as it were, casting a ballot not set in stone by how much Theta marked. At the hour of composing this Theta cost expectation, the ongoing cost of Theta is 87 cents, and information demonstrates that the resource cost could recuperate in the forthcoming days. The 24-hour exchanging volume has been $6,865,137 with a market cap of $873,503,088 and a coursing supply of 1 billion Theta. Our crypto gauge thinks about a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins. We foresee the fate of the Theta coin in a comparative system. We should investigate Theta cost expectation for the impending years. Theta coin value expectation 2023 as per our ongoing Theta cost forecast 2023. The Theta coin cost is anticipated to go up and arrive at the most extreme value level of $1.85. The typical cost of Theta organization may be around $1.20, while the base value level may be around 70 cents during 2023. Theta crypto value expectation 2024. In light of our Theta cost expectation for 2024, it is guessed that the Theta cost can hit a limit of $2.30 and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The most minimal Theta organization cost will be around $1.80, and the typical Theta organization cost will exchange around $2. Theta value expectation 2025 to 2025 could check the benchmark year at the cost of the Theta coin. It is anticipated to outperform a typical cost of $3.10 definitely. According to our Theta coin cost forecast 2025, the crypto may record the greatest cost degree of $3.50, while the base value level may be around $2.70. Theta token value expectation 2026. There is plausible that Theta organization will rise dramatically in 2026. Theta coin cost is supposed to cross a normal cost of $4. The most extreme and least value levels may be around $4.70 and $3.80. Separately, according to the Theta Cost Forecast 2026, Theta forecast 2027 financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027, as the reception of Theta will develop dramatically. The greatest value level of Theta organization may handily hit $5.80 toward the finish of 2027 according to our Theta cost expectation. On the drawback, it might tumble to the most reduced value level of around $4.90. Theta value expectation 2028 keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that Theta is ready for a rise in 2028. A Theta coin could contact the greatest cost degree of $6.40 with a typical cost of $6 in view of our Theta cost expectation for 2028. The base cost may be around $5.60 during the year. Theta organization value expectation 2029 of every 2029. The typical Theta cost might raise a ruckus around town mark according to our Theta cost figure. Financial backers might procure extraordinary benefits assuming that they contribute with flawless timing. The greatest and least value levels may be around $6.90 and $6.30. Theta value forecast 2030 Theta organization cost is anticipated to reach somewhat around its past all-time high by 2030, with a typical exchanging cost of $7.30. Theta organization's base worth could come to $6.70. In light of our Theta coin cost forecast for 2030, we anticipate that the most extreme cost should be around $8. In view of our Theta cost estimate, a drawn-out rectification is normal. The cost expectation for long-term end is 53 cents. Your ongoing speculation might be downgraded. In this way, Theta can be a terrible, high-risk venture choice. According to the Theta cost forecast, the cost of Theta is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year's over 2024, Theta organization is supposed to arrive at least expense of $2.34. Likewise, the Theta cost is fit for getting a most extreme degree of $2.77. As per our profound specialized examination and Theta cost expectation, in 2023 the cost of Theta organization is gauged to be at around a base worth of $1.44. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.67 with the typical exchanging worth of $1.49. Is Theta a wise speculation? An expected level of investment is dependably prudent, being a critical component here. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any misrepresented assumptions required on the off chance that you trade mindfully, facing a calculative challenge. What amount will Theta be worth in 2025? As indicated by the Theta coin cost forecast 2025, the normal cost of Theta organization could cross the $3 mark. It could raise a ruckus around town level of $3.60 toward the finish of 2025. Where could I at any point purchase Theta? At the present time, you can purchase Theta at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange Theta, you should move your Bitcoin or ETH cash from Coinbase to that particular trade. This is done through a wallet framework. Does Theta have a future? Theta is one digital currency that will have a brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, it will run the